You work hard, really hard. You put in the hours, you get the raise, but every month, you still feel like you're running in place. You're trapped in a financial cycle that won't let you build wealth. You're exhausted. I'm here to tell you, it's not your income, it's your habits. Today, we are doing a financial intervention. We're exposing the 7 toxic money habits that are silently draining your future, and I'm giving you the immediate fix for each one. If you want to break free from the just scraping by life, this is the most important video you will watch this year. Let's start the countdown. Welcome back to Financially Well, Toxic Habit. Number 1, refusing to look at the numbers. I call this the financial blindfold. You avoid checking your balance, you toss your statements, and you pray everything works out. By living in denial, you are actively choosing to stay lost. If you don't know where your money is going, you have zero control over where it stays. The fix. You must create an immediate line of sight. Forget the complex spreadsheets for now. Just track every dollar for 30 days. That's it. A budget is not a restriction, it's a spotlight. It shines directly on the leaks so you can plug them and finally start directing your money with purpose. I have built a simple, powerful budget template that you can download for free. Link is in the description below. Toxic habit number 2, the minimum payment trap. If you are only paying the minimum on your high-interest credit cards, you are running on a debt treadmill. You're working just to keep the bank rich. You are effectively paying rent on purchases you made months or even years ago. That interest rate, it's not just eating your money, it's devouring your future. The fix. Stop the bleeding first. Cut up the card or put it on ice. Then, pick a debt payoff strategy, avalanche or snowball, and attack it like it's a fire. Every extra dollar you throw at high-interest debt is not a payment. It's an instant, tax-free return on investment. Toxic habit number 3, lifestyle creep. You get a raise, and what's the first thing you do? You upgrade the apartment, the car, and the wine list. You start earning more, but you spend it away before it can ever turn into wealth. You're trapped playing the game of keeping up with the Joneses, and trust me, the Joneses are probably also broke. The fix. The next time your income increases, pay your future self first. Commit to putting at least half of that raise directly into a dedicated investment account automatically. Let the other half go to your lifestyle. This ensures every step up in your career actually translates into financial security, not just a fancier debt load. Toxic habit. Number 4, living without a cash safety net. If an unexpected expense hits, a car breakdown, a surprise dental bill, and your solution is to swipe a credit card, then you are one bad day away from disaster. You are choosing fragility over stability. An emergency fund is the foundation of all financial success. The fix. You need a financial panic button. Start by saving $1,000 immediately. Then, aggressively work toward 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is not for vacation. It is your insurance against high-interest debt. Keep it separate, keep it safe, and never touch it unless there is a true emergency. Toxic habit number 5, emotional and impulse spending. The one-click ease of modern life is your enemy. You feel bored, stressed, or sad, and you try to fix it with a quick hit of retail therapy. But that dopamine rush is momentary, and the buyer's remorse is real. Those $5 coffees and $15 delivery fees, they don't seem like much, but they are a constant, quiet drain on your wallet. The fix. Create friction. Delete your saved credit card information from online accounts. For any non-essential purchase over $50, implement the 48-hour rule. Add it to your cart and force yourself to wait 2 full days. I guarantee 90% of the time that urge will vanish and you will save your money. Toxic habit number 6, procrastinating your investing. You think you have all the time in the world, but you are directly stealing from your future self. Time is your most valuable asset, and every year you delay retirement investing, you rob yourself of the single greatest wealth-building tool on the planet. compounding interest. The fix: stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start today, even if it's just $50 a paycheck. If your company offers a 401k match, that is free money you are refusing to take. Get the match first, then set up an automatic deposit into an IRA. Small steps taken early always beat massive steps taken late. Toxic habit. Number 7, paying yourself last. This is the big one. This means you wait until all the bills are paid, all the emotional spending is done, and then you try to save whatever crumbs are left over. The result is always the same: zero savings. Wealthy people do the opposite. They don't spend what's left after saving, they save first. The ultimate fix: embrace the core principle of wealth building. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings transfer to your investments and your emergency fund, to happen the very moment your paycheck hits your bank. If the money isn't there to be spent, you won't spend it. You are literally forcing wealth into your future. These aren't financial disasters, they are just bad habits, and habits can be broken. If you can only break one habit today, make it number 7, pay yourself first. Which one of these are you cutting out of your life today? Let me know in the comments below. If this intervention gave you the clarity you needed, hit the like button and subscribe for more financial empowerment. And to help you implement habit number 1, I've linked a simple, powerful, free budget template in the description below. Grab it, make the change, and start building the life you deserve. Thanks for watching.